What's up guys, it's Sabi here again with another new video. So in my previous video I have talked to you about what are the requirements if you want to apply for childcare subsidy. In this video I will tell you how you can log in into MyGov account and link Centrelink to your MyGov account, and from Centrelink account how you can be able to claim for childcare subsidy. Here I'm onto a website, servicesaustralia.gov.au, and it says here how to claim. Complete the following steps to apply for childcare subsidy CCS before you start. Check if you can get it. We will guide you through the claim process for new claims. We also help you update an existing claim to add another child. A childcare subsidy claim can be backdated up to 28 days. Keep in mind you can't make lump sum claim for childcare subsidy. Before you start, check if you are eligible for childcare subsidy. Just to let you know guys, this childcare subsidy doesn't go into your bank account. It goes to the childcare service provider who is taking care of your child. Do you already get childcare subsidy and want to add another child? So I will click on no, and then here it asks me the next question, do you have a childcare subsidy claim in progress? I will click on no, and then it says, are you claiming for yourself as the person who is liable for the fees? If you are claiming as a nominee, select no. So you click yes, because you are claiming for yourself. Do you want to claim online? The easiest way to claim online, click yes. Do you have a MyGov account? So I will click on no. Do you have a Centrelink customer reference number? If you don't have one or can't remember your CRN number, select no. Most of the people have CRN number before they are applying for childcare subsidy. Just in case if you don't have it, then let's see if I click no what happens. And then if I click yes, in either cases you need to create MyGov account and link Centrelink to claim. So let's say you have CRN number, because most people who are applying for childcare subsidy must have their CRN number already. Alright, so I click on yes, and then I will go through the steps. When you click on no, what happens then? Alright, create MyGov account and link Centrelink to claim. To claim a payment, you need a Centrelink online account linked to MyGov. If you don't have a MyGov account, it's easy to create one. Follow these steps. Go to MyGov and select create an account. Read the terms of use. If you agree to terms, select I agree. Enter your email address, then confirm this address using a code we email to you. Your MyGov account must use a unique email address. You can't use the same email for another MyGov account. Enter your mobile number if you have one. If you enter a number, you will get a code sent to each time you sign into your MyGov account. So it's sent to your cell phone. Create password and 3 secret questions and enter answers. You have created your MyGov account. Select continue to MyGov. To link Centrelink, you will need your Centrelink customer reference number. So later I will tell you, or maybe in the next video I will tell you how to create a CRN number. Alright guys, so link Centrelink account and make your claim. Create a MyGov account. With MyGov you can access government services online. To get Centrelink payment and services, you need to create MyGov account and link it to Centrelink. You need your own email address to create one. Alright, let's do this first. What I'll do, I'll open into another page, and then I'll click here on create account. And there are 2 ways you can be able to create this account. One is through email by clicking on this button, continue with email, or the other option is digital identity. Use MyGov ID to create MyGov account. The quickest way is to go through continue with digital ID. In this way you do not have to type every time your password. All you do is you get a code in the message on your phone, and then you type that code onto your app, MyGov app, which you have to download it on your phone. So I'll click on continue with digital identity, and that's what the pages looks like. Don't have the MyGov ID app, create MyGov ID to prove who you are and log in to online services. Find out how to set up your MyGov ID. Step 1. Create an account. Go to MyGov and select create a MyGov account. Step 2. Choose how to create your MyGov account. Select continue with email. Step 3. Agree to terms of use. Read the terms of use. If you agree to the terms, select I agree. Select cancel to go exit. Step 4. Enter an email address. Enter your email address, then select next. Enter the code sent to your email, then select next. Each MyGov account must have a unique email address. Step 5. Enter a mobile number. Enter your mobile number, then select next. Enter the code sent to your mobile number and select next. This step is optional if you don't have access to mobile phone or mobile reception. Select skip the step. Step 6. Create a password. Enter a password, re-enter the password and then select next. Make sure your password have between 10 to 64 characters, including one letter and one number. Not be the same as password you have used before. Not use the same character repeatedly or have any sequential characters such as 4 times A or 1 2 3 4. Your password can have space in any of the following characters. So these characters. Passwords are case sensitive. Create secret questions and answers. Secret questions and answers help keep your account secure. We will ask you to create 3 questions and answer only you can answer. Choose questions from the list or select write my own questions. Make sure your answers are easy for you to remember. Select next after you enter the answers or enter your answer. Repeat this step to create question 2 and 3. Secret questions and answers aren't case sensitive. Step 8. Use your MyGov account. You have created a MyGov account. Your MyGov username will display on the screen. We also email it to you. Select continue to MyGov. So what's next? Download the app. Prove who you are, come back and log in. So what I'll do on my phone, in search option I will type app. So it comes here Apple Store, App Store, and then in search option I will type here MyGov, and this is the app you need to download. As you can see on the screen, I'll click on open. I have already installed on my cell phone, and then here this app is already open, so you need to obviously go through the login process. So I'm here onto my laptop, and as soon as I type my email address and log in, I will get a code here, and as soon as I get a code, I will get the notification on my phone, as you can see here, and then I'll click on the notification and then I'll type the code here 2853 and I'll click on accept. And as soon as I click on accept on my laptop, it will log me into MyGov account. So I'm here onto MyGov account, and then here you will see the services I have already linked, like Australian Taxation Office, Centrelink, Child Support, Medicare. But the services which I have not linked, for example, if you have not linked any of these services, you will click on view and link services, and you will see here all those services which you haven't linked, and the ones you have linked will show it on the top of this page. So category, link a service, you will see a Centrelink option here. All you need to do is click on link, and then it will link to your MyGov account. So the Centrelink service is already linked to my own MyGov account. I'll go back to home, and then here, as you can see, to go to the Centrelink page through MyGov account, I will click on Centrelink, and it will take me directly to the Centrelink website. Alright, so this is my Centrelink page. Alright, so here to claim for childcare subsidy, you click on menu here, and then after that I will click on my family, and then you click on childcare. Once I click on childcare, under this childcare option, it's not showing enrollment thing because this person who has this childcare Centrelink account doesn't have any kids. So you will see another option here for enrollments, and you need to click on that and then find the relevant enrollment details. Select view details and then confirm. Answer the questions about enrollment to confirm these details are correct. Alright guys, so this is it for today. I hope you found these information really helpful. Please make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for all the latest upcoming videos, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.